Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to edit the captions on a post that you have been posted on Instagram application. So whenever we start to post something on Instagram, there will be a caption section just to explain what exactly you posted, explain the feeling through the content that you have been posted to. But then if you are not satisfied after you posting the post, you can just edit them again. Visit your profile, and then you just need to choose which picture or which content that you want to edit the caption. So let's say here I will let you edit this. You can see now my caption is only like love with the white color, so let's just make them more interesting. How to do that? Go click the three small dots and go click edit, and now you will have an access to edit the caption. You can just add the new captions that you want. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, and you already got the new captions for your content. So that is the way how to edit the captions into the content that you have been posted on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.